ChikuStories.
Once upon a time, by a sparkling lake, lived an old crane. The old crane grew hungrier each day. He told the lake animals there would be no rain for 12 years. This lake will dry up. The worried fish pleaded for help, and the crane said, "Don't worry, I'll carry you to a big lake." Every day, the crane took one animal in his beak, pretending to help them. Instead of taking them to a new lake, the crane ate them one by one. Soon it was the crab's turn. As they flew high, the crab noticed something strange. "I see bones, but no lake," shouted the crab. But the brave crab grabbed the crane's neck with his claws and didn't let go until the crane fell, never to harm again. Moral of the story: evil plans may work for a while, but they always end in trouble.